This is madness. The river is right there. It's right next to the marina. So this whole thing was underwater, no doubt. Everything's corroded. All the relays, all the contactors are destroyed. All the controls have been cut out at some point in time. There's nothing here. Harness is disconnected and bypassed, and compressor terminals exposed. And this is how I found it when I got here. Leaking water. Almost got washed off of its blocks. Exposed wires. And this is crazy. Nothing I can do out here. It needs to be completely rebuilt or replaced.